Robert Kiyosaki. Real estate investing. Understanding what kind of income you are working for is one of the first lessons I want to impart to anyone who are considering real estate investing. Earned income, or income obtained by employment or another type of labor. Portfolio income, or revenue received from a collection of paper assets like mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. Passive income, or money that is unrelated to a particular period of time or activity and that is available to you without requiring any particular current effort on your part. Although there are 3 different sources of income, I like to concentrate on passive income. Real estate investment income is the main example of passive income, making up about 80% of this kind of revenue. Real estate not only has the potential to generate large, long-term financial returns, but is also the most reliable source of investment income due to its consistent cash flow. It also comes with a lot of advantageous tax benefits. Real estate income is my preferred source of income due to all of these factors. The good news about investing in real estate is that the problem is that earning money through real estate investments involves a lot more planning, effort, and perseverance than earning money from other sources. While many people who invest in real estate can make money to some extent, only those who have properly mastered the fundamental techniques and methods of real estate investing can achieve lasting success. Create a world-class investment group. Trying to do everything yourself is a definite way to keep your real estate investment returns low and your prospects for growth constrained, while a desire to learn as much as possible in any given profession may serve you well throughout your career. Believing that you must know everything will stymie your advancement. And believing that you must accomplish everything yourself is far more harmful. The truth is that no one can know everything there is to know, let alone do everything there is to do, in a field as complex as real estate investing. For over 50 years, I have been investing in real estate. Every investment I make teaches me something new. Make a tax strategy. Normally, no one enjoys talking about taxes, but in real estate, taxes imply more money. I indicated a minute ago that real estate investing offers significant tax benefits, and it does. However, you will only be able to reap these tax benefits if you set up your real estate investing activities correctly from the start. Because the government considers real estate investing to be a company, you can deduct a wide range of direct and indirect expenses related to managing and maintaining a property, such as repairs, utilities, office expenses, property manager salary, advertising, and so on. However, you can deduct some major phantom expenses, such as depreciation, costs that are recorded in the property's books but that you do not pay. Plan your legal strategy. My rich dad always said making money is easy, but money owning real estate can be a very lucrative method of generating income. But real estate ownership, like many business pursuits, comes with some significant risks. Legal risks, ranging from landlord-tenant relations to non-performance of contractual obligations, are among the most significant of these. Managing your legal risks will therefore be a critical aspect of becoming a successful real estate investor. Understand your market. The real estate business has a well-known saying that the 3 most essential criteria in determining the value of a property are location, location, location. However, the significance of a property's location extends beyond obvious variables such as whether a neighborhood is worn down, or an office park is in disrepair. Indeed, the influence of location in a property's value begins before you consider geography. It all starts with the intended use of the property. Honestly estimate your cash flow. It's time to start looking at individual homes once you've settled on a property type and investment area. Remember that your primary goal in becoming a real estate investor is to generate positive cash flow. And, in order to make the kind of money you want, each property you buy must yield a positive return, otherwise, you're wasting your time and scarce investment funds. Provide excellent service to your tenants. It's usual for new real estate investors to be purely concerned with the bottom line. That's to be anticipated. After all, as previously said, your primary goal as a real estate investor is to generate money. However, you must be careful not to overestimate the importance of money because you want to secure not only your short-term cash flow, but also your long-term income. Indeed, as a real estate investor, especially if you rent or lease your properties, you are in a customer-facing business. just like the neighborhood car repair shop or electronics store. And, like them, you must take care of your consumers and ensure their satisfaction, or you will not be in business for long. Value increase. When I was a kid, I learned a very essential premise from the board game Monopoly that has substantially boosted my performance in real estate investing. 4 greenhouses lead to one red hotel. Trading up, of course, is selling a smaller or less profitable property, cashing out, and then using the funds to purchase a larger and more profitable piece of real estate. There is one catch. When you cash out, you obtain what is known as a capital gain. And both the federal government and many state governments tax capital gains, although at a lesser rate than ordinary personal income. How do you get ahead if you're losing so much of your profit to taxes? Act and study. The principles presented here are the true secrets to being financially comfortable, if not outrageously wealthy, through real estate investing. However, as written, they are merely thoughts. Only by putting these concepts into action will you be able to become a successful real estate investor. At the same time, you must continue to learn, since what we've detailed here only scratches the surface of what it takes to make successful real estate investing a lifelong job. Act now, and keep learning throughout your life, I like to say. As you progress, you'll discover that real estate investing can give you with the wonderful foundation of wealth and happiness you've long sought.